fellow travelers, and your travel angel is back. Hey, welcome back to Angel's Video Diary. And on this channel, I focus and share positive travel experiences. So, how was your Thanksgiving, by the way? How did you celebrate it? I hope you had a happy and very safe one. Well, you can tell me all about it in the description below, okay? But anyway, I am here because I have something very special that I want to share with you guys today. I am launching something new here on the vlog, and I'm calling it Fashion Friday. You know, since I love to travel, I also love fashion. But before you say anything, I just want to let you know I am not a fashion expert. But, you know, over the years, I've learned how to put outfits together. I got inspiration from different people. You know, I tried different looks until I found my own style and the style that I feel most comfortable in. So basically, Fashion Friday is about my personal style, and this is my personal opinion. So feel free to adjust the trends or the outfits that I'm gonna show you to suit your style, okay? And it's also very timely because today is Black Friday or Black Friday. Yeah, so you can check out the outfits that I'm gonna show you. Maybe you can buy a similar outfit if you want. All right, so let's do this. Alright, outfit number 1 is this wide leg cropped jumpsuit in Kelly green. I super love wearing jumpsuits or rompers. It's simple, chic, and very comfortable. The only downside of wearing a jumpsuit is when you have to use the ladies' room. But I just love how effortless it is to style a romper. I also love that it has pockets. It also comes with a slider belt to define or emphasize your waist. Alright, moving on to outfit number 2. So, I'm wearing this puff sleeve sweater dress in deep brown. This is actually not my style, but you know, I just thought to give it a try, and honestly, I absolutely love it. And it's very easy to style. Either you wear it with boots or sneakers, you know, both are perfect with this outfit. Well, I'm a sneakers gal, so there. It would also be nice if you add a belt to again emphasize your waist, or maybe add a jewelry like these earrings that I'm wearing here, you know, to give it a little pop of accessory, but make sure to keep everything simple. Okay? Winter is coming. Well, here in Palm Springs, California at least. And to prepare for the cold weather, I am putting on this neon yellow top coat. You know, winter can sometimes be gloomy, but adding a pop-up color to your outfit will give life to the dark and maybe a bit depressing weather, right? I like how soft this coat feels, which will definitely provide extra warmth for the cold season. I think I'm ready for my Zoom party. So, what do you think? Hey, let me know how you're gonna style the outfits that I showed you today in the comment box below. And you can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, and that's at Angel's Video Diary. And subscribe to my blog, that's www.mypurplepages.com. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, continue to spread positivity, and our next Fashion Friday is happening next month, the last Friday of December. All right? Hey, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. We're now inside. We just entered the South Rim entrance of the Grand Canyon. And guess what? It's free today.